Look what's cooking at Sears. It's really great coffee, made with Sears 10-cup Flavor Fresh drip coffee maker. On sale now for only $24.99. Sears Flavor Fresh coffee maker has a built-in filter that works alone or with paper filters for double filtration. Either way, you'll have 50 ounces of full-bodied coffee that's automatically kept warm. Save $5 on Sears 10-cup Flavor Fresh drip coffee maker, a great gift on sale now at Sears.